So, welcome to Technical Souls YouTube channel. so, well, I've said that because I recently done a poll in my Twitter, and most of you guys said yes, you want to see Jugaad. So, Jugaad is also equal to life hacks. No, not that one which you see on YouTube by 5 Minute Craft. Well, you can say it is, but not like that. This in this video, I will show you how to make an emergency light, which will be very helpful if light goes off for you. Otherwise, भूत हूँ मैं. Okay. Let's start with the video, shall we? And yeah, the in the recording, my voice will be a bit different from what you hear now. Okay. As you can see, this is my setup. And first of all, you need a transparent box. I'm using this. I got it from a shirt I bought. Sorry. As you can see, my leg reveal there. Sorry. I don't know how to record it. So, and for the stuffs, you first of all need LED strip. I got it for 40 rupees. Wire cutter or good quality scissor to cut the LED strip, some wires, as you can see, a soldering iron and a soldering paste or soldering wire, and yeah, you also need a cutter. As you can see, the multimeter is not here, which you can see on the left side, which has big dials and stuff. Well, it is optional if you want to. Let's count the LED. It has 24 LEDs in it total. Okay, so let's count it. Yeah, it has 24. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, you also need a rechargeable battery. I'm using 18650 cell, which you can get it from 50 or 60 rupees for me. And yeah, cut it from cutter or scissor. Please don't cut it from the hand. Please don't mold it from hand. Yeah, don't do this. And I will show you my arrangement like this. For a reference, well, I don't know how it will go on in the end. Let's see. So okay, so I will meet you after soldering all the stuff.
A few moments later.
As you can see, I am back after joining all the wires. And yeah, you have to join it like this: plus 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 and negative 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 negative. It is also called as parallel. Yeah, parallel connection. Well, I've connected it all, four strips, as you can see. And yeah, I have also connected a charging module for my rechargeable battery. I will show you the schematic later and see. I push it up and the light turns on, and I pushed it, it turns off, working very well. And this is a charging module, and this is a battery, and I have many batteries lying over here. As you can see, this is what you get in the shop. It is 18650 cell. As the yeah, well, you can buy it from online or from your shop. I have blue and purple is the only one which I got it from shop. Uh, You see, 18650 it is written, 2000 milliamps and 3.7 volt. Well, the strip I'm using is of 4 volts, so 3.7 is good. And yeah, these red ones I have salvaged from my old laptops. As you can see, there's a marking. Well, there's no marking on on the one which I bought it from shop. And yeah, the green one is also from the shop. Forgot to tell you, but it is a bit different. For this, it is a button type cell. You need this, what you can see, yeah, this is a cell holder. Okay, this is used to carry the cell. Yeah, as you can see, it is very cheap. I got it for 20 rupees if I remember correctly. See, plus minus, and you have to connect it like that. Very simple. I will show you the schematics at the end of the video. Stay tuned for that. It is very easy to make emergency light like this. So I will be back after fixing all this
The
stuff.
next morning.
As you can see, I have fixed all this stuff here via tape and glue gun, where it is a jugaad. So, and you see, I have it works very nicely. As you can see, four corner, four strips, and butter in the top. And yeah, this is a charging module which I have talked to you about. Well, you can see my headphone there. Let it be. So, well, many of you guys were saying which microphone are you using? See this cheap model. I don't know where I got it from, and yeah, I am using splitter for the audio, and I have got anti sports H340 headphone, as you can see, and I have also bought a cooling pad for my laptop because it gets very hot, 95 degree.
12 o'clock midnight.
So as you can see my cheap little 100 rupees mouse, and yeah, I will show you which cable will it suit for the charging. Type C, lightning and micro USB. So you have to use the micro USB one. Yes, micro USB old one. Well, the charging module also comes in Type C module, but was a bit what we say expensive. So yeah, as you can see, it is not charging. It is full. Blue means full. Red means charging. Okay, and yeah, all the links will be down in the description. All the paths you need, that link. Okay, as you can see, and yeah, you can also turn on your light uh, during this. And yeah, if you see red there, red and blue both are, don't don't take tension, it is okay. It happens sometimes. Okay, yeah, it is night. Okay, as you can see, what you can do is everyone will be at sleep at midnight, so you can do this game at night, and you can still see if there is a bottle in your left, you can still see it at your midnight. So that is for the video. See you next time.
3:28 a.m.
Well, to say the truth, it took me 1 hour, 1 or 2 hour to set up everything right. So it all considers soldering, and taping and other stuff, gluing stuff. It took me 1 or 2 hour to do it all. It was a pain, but it is worth it because sometimes light goes off and I was like, what to do? You get it, right? So that is all for today. And I'm planning to make a video on how to make power bank. Well, it will be very useful for you guys for charging devices if the charger is not here, I mean near you, or it is pain to go and take your charger. I think many of you can relate this in my next videos. Okay, I will show you how to make it. It is very simple, the simplest of all, but it takes time. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye, take care.